Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I cook my brown stew fish. I will list the ingredients in the description below. So I'm preparing some powdered seasoning for the fish. Jamaican bulk all-purpose seasoning that I took from Jamaica. And then I'm adding some fish seasoning. I'm using a red snapper and I've already rinsed it with some vinegar, but you can use lime or lemon. Fish is fried, nice and golden brown. So now we remove it from the oil and it's time to make our gravy. Here I have some freshly chopped seasoning, garlic, onion, bell pepper, thyme. Well, I don't have any green onions, scallion today, so I'm just using what I have. Give it a stir. And then I'm gonna add some okra, some chopped okra. Sometimes I can't find the fresh okra when I go to the grocery store, so the chopped frozen okra is a good backup for me to always have. It's convenient and it makes cooking faster and easier. And now we had some water. Some soya sauce. Some tomato ketchup. And this is the seasoning that was left back after I seasoned the fish. So I just add it to the gravy. Give it a stir. And this lovely scotch bonnet pepper to add some more flavor to the pot. All right. There we go. Looking good. So I let that cook for about 5 minutes. Then we had our fried fish. And then we just use the gravy to cover the fish. Just pour your gravy on top of your fish and let it cook down for 5 minutes. Nice and yummy. You can add some cornstarch slurry to the gravy if you want to make it thicker. And you could also add more browning if you want to make it darker. Well, stew fish is good with festival, bami, tough crackers, water crackers. It's good with yam, dumplings, green bananas. But I'm having mine today with some rice and peas and vegetables. So you can have it with whatever you like. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.